Akiaria kaunti-ini ya Mombasa kikomano-ini gia guthurima mitaratara ya kuhe arutwo gikiro-ini kia nathareirio rungu rwa uramati wa kaunti muikarigiti wa Kanju ya MANGAVANA Ahmed Abdullahi augite magavana matikunyitanira uthurimi-ini ucio onginya riria manigiana giikaro.
All counties give bursaries through a structured process. They actually have legislation which was passed in the county assemblies by whatever name. Mostly they call it County Bursaries Fund. So it's a fund established under the law with a board and a CEO. And that fund is audited every single year.
Muthurimi wa mathabu ma banjeti Nancy Gathungu endekithitie guthurimwo gwa kaunti ithathatu miaka ina mithuru niguo kumenya uria kigina kia bursary gikoretwo gikigaiwo undu uria magavana mareganite naguo makiuga ubatie gwikwo ni kamiti ya bunge ya Senate igi kigina kia muingi.
In their letter they had not indicated that they want to audit bursaries and ECDE as a special audit, but just audit for audit's sake. And we know the laws ask that we do audit within 6 months and not 4 years, as has been directed by the Auditor General. To this extent, then we insist as a council and even as a committee that the proper guidelines and the law must be adhered even when dealing with all these matters.
Munini wa muikarigiti wa Kanju ino Mutahi Kahiga ni anyitite mbaru ikinya ria Kanju ino kuregana na uthurimi uyu na oho makiendekithia mitaratara miegega ya uheani wa irio nathara-ini itiganite.
Why are we not auditing all the other functions? And we are focused specifically on bursaries, which is a controversial issue. And the answer should be, county governments are not crazy entities. They step in to offer bursaries because there is a need. And why is there a need? The Constitution of Kenya guarantees free, affordable, quality education to be provided by the national government. When the national government doesn't do that, then counties walk in as a social aspect and support through the bursaries.
Muikarigiti wa kamiti ya githomo ya Senate Betty Monteti na mutafania wa Food for Education Shalom Ndiku maugite guthondekwo kwa watho ni guguteithia gukinyira namba nene ya arutwo.
When the Council of Governors come up with a guideline policy, other counties will be able to customize the policy because we all understand and all needs are different.
We are here today to partner with the Council of Governors to support and collaborate on a model policy that will ensure that county governments have the frameworks in place.
Going around the country, you will be able to see a lot of infrastructure that has been done. But now we are going to the core, that is addressing the issue of attendance, because a child can attend and not be attentive, but we can now have full attendance and full attention by providing the meals.
Adu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura Wandungu.